Today, I'm going to take you through the concept design for one of our unique projects, transforming a Queenslander home following the build-in under an existing Queenslander method. Let's understand the deliverables our client sought. The proposal included a transformative internal stairwell connecting two levels. The lower level featured a new primary suite, an inviting entertaining space, an office that could also be used as a bedroom, and revamped utilities. The home had already been renovated once before, so there were several elements at the front and rear of the home that were contemporary, contrasting with the Queenslander style. To tie in the contemporary elements, we drew inspiration from the natural timber vertical screening on the front fence and balcony. This design unified the two contrasting styles at the heart of the house, forming the new stairwell balustrade. To maximise space, our clients opted to sacrifice a spare room at their existing bathroom, allowing for a new stairwell and the addition of a walk-in pantry. Within this space, we were able to create a new main bathroom that recycled their existing fixtures. Maximise the garden views whilst addressing the separation of the primary suite from the entertaining area, we introduced a mobile partition, allowing our clients to enjoy full garden views from their bedroom while maintaining privacy during gatherings. This feature's design harmonises with the established contemporary timber details upstairs, creating a cohesive aesthetic. To fulfill our client's desire for a connection to the garden, we proposed a terrace deck servicing both the primary suite and the entertaining space. The wraparound bench is not only a nice spot to sit, it also prevents fall risks, eliminating the need for railings, providing uninterrupted views. And that's a wrap on our tour through this Queenslander makeover, blending classic charm with a contemporary style, turning a single living, 2-bed, 1-bath home into a dual living, 4-bed, 2.5-bath, 2-story home. Feeling inspired? Dive deeper on our website or shoot us a message. We'd love to chat about turning your home dreams into a reality.